Welcome to my channel. Let's draw together. I think drawing is the best hobby. You can create art anywhere, as long as you have two things: pencils and paper. It's good to start at a young age, because it gives you a chance to start using your brain and to be creative. Also, it is an opportunity to challenge thinking skills and develop learning skills. Furthermore, drawing is a way of representing one's imagination on a piece of paper. The first thing that most drawing tutorials teach you to draw is shapes, starting with a sphere. After all, any object that you see around you can be constructed by using one or a combination of 3 different shapes. A circle, a sphere is a circle in 3D. One of the first steps of simple drawings is mastering the art of drawing shapes. The cube, the cylinder, and the sphere are the fundamental shapes an artist must learn in order to achieve a deeper understanding of all forms when learning to draw. I enjoy drawing, but I am not very good at it. Should I keep doing it? I hope you like my drawing. Like and comment, don't forget to. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.